Next thing is the layout preference. The client says they want something simple, understandable, and just a layout with a whole lot of pictures, more pictures than words. That's going to be something pretty easy and pretty complicated, but we're going to do research first, right? So we're going to think about a website that has that kind of layout. So let me do google.com. And there's a couple of sites that I usually go to find these things. One is awards, spelled with 3 W's, like how you say www dot. It's gonna be awards. It's the website awards for best website trends. So I'm gonna look for different websites that I actually like the way they look. So I'm gonna look here. Let's see what they got. It doesn't have to be exactly the topic, but what you want it to be is something that you like and something that kind of meshes what you think the client can use. All right, let's see. Okay, so I'm looking into this random website. I'm seeing how they do it and if I think the client could use it. So this is a really heavily photographic thing. Ooh, that's really cool. It's interactive and everything. Ooh. Oh no, I think this is too complicated for a pet grooming store. So I'm gonna go back. Let's say I want to try like, matter of fact, let's look. They say websites, inspiration, minimal. I'm gonna say pictures. Here we go. So I said pictures, and they have a whole bunch of stuff for me. So I'm looking at this site right here. Kind of love how simple that is. The navigation's over here. You click it, the navigation's over here. That's pretty nice and clean. Like they said, simple and organized. So it starts with a picture, like a delicious looking blueberry pie. Pictures clean, no pixelation. The logo's right here. I hovered over the logo and then the navigation dropped down. That's an amazing feature. So I just click on arts and culture, see what's up. Again, simple, pictures, little bit of words, because they don't want you to have to read too much. More pictures, that's what I want to see. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to snapshot this right here, just so I know what I'm putting in my research file. And I want to get 3 of them, so let's go over them. So yeah, I like this too. I love how it just says books on the top and then you kind of just go into it. I'm getting 3. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go to a different page now because I want to see if I can get some different designs. Let's go home. Let's oh, some of you guys like shoes. Let's look at this. Okay, let's visit the website. Let's go. Puma Sicker? Sneaker? I'm not reading correctly. I love these big sweeping images. Like, it's just huge over everything. You can see the texture of the shoes. I love that. So again, I'm gonna do a little screenshot. And you see the little 3 lines. I always call it the hamburger. So when you hear me refer to the hamburger, that's what it is. This one right here, that's a hamburger for me. It's pretty simple and cool. I love that. Like, can you imagine like good pictures of puppies right here instead of this? You know, it's kind of similar to the other one. I'm doing little screenshots. And the whole point of this is that you're getting the references from different websites, and then in the end, you're gonna go back and actually sketch based on the ones that we think or that you think will, go best with pampered pups. Like, they want it to be photo heavy, so I'm looking at all the photo heavy sites, and it's really cool. But yeah, you can just go through here, or my other site that I like to look at is FWA. FWA is another website award site. Like, it has very high quality, great design websites that they kind of want you to, check out and get inspired by. I'm guessing this chocolate website's everywhere because I just saw it. Let's see. Let me launch this one, see what's up. Look at that texture. You see this texture? This is freaking awesome. So I like this type of thing. But this is scroll down. So this is what a scroll down is. You scroll down the changes without you having to click a page. This is pretty freaking amazing. So I like the way this is being formed right now. I'm gonna do a screenshot. Okay, so now I'm done doing screenshots. Let me go back into Adobe Illustrator reference. There we go. And what you're going to do next, make a reference, and you're going to say File, Open. Unless you did a screenshot on Windows, then you're going to do Paste. But okay, here we go. Let's open all four. Perfect. Okay. So let me move this main one over here. And what I'll do, select this one, click, drop, back over here, X this out, click, wait, no, click, drop, X that out, click, drop, click, drop. You can drag from different windows in the program and it's fine. This last one, click, drop. Okay. So now what we got is a whole bunch of references. We got zoom out. What I want to do is make them smaller. I hold down shift and I drag so it stays proportional. And I kind of just line it up around the corners. Hold on, shift, drag. This is so we know that you've done the research, that you've looked at different sites, and basically this is how you're going to learn how to build a website off of basically reference. So this is amazing because now we have at least 5 different references. So if you think of it this way, this is ref 2. Always label your stuff so you know. Let's go to layer 3. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom into this one. Alright. So it's a navigation. I always get the little rectangle tool. So you know how it's going to begin. It's going to be a black box. Navigation. Let's see if we can bring it down a little bit. So it's going to be different. Hold on, Alt, click, Shift, drag. select both, Alt, click, Shift, drag. So now you got these three things. And then as you go, you're going to label these. This is a headline, this is a logo. So the reason you label everything is so that, you know, I don't really have to guess. I just want to be able to find the easiest one. Oh yeah, that's black. Hold down Shift, duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this. And what you do now is just go in, headline, control this. Let's make it a little bigger. Let's make it like 36. And then we just go over here, make it the bounding box a little bigger just so it can fit there. Okay, that's a little too big. Let's do Control A. No, it's too small. Okay, perfect. Let's do that. Just drag it down, drag it down, drag it down. I'm gonna do home, about, contact, then basically this is how it kind of goes. You have to make sure that you label everything as you're going along. Yeah, this is just me quickly showing you how you're gonna set things up in a really quick manner. And then when you turn off your ref, this is gonna be on different artboards, but you know, this is the first page basically I would have. And then when you go into Photoshop later on, this will actually be an image of a puppy right here. This will be, you know, actual navigation you have to do over in Photoshop or drag it over. You'll learn all this stuff. You want to change the color of this navigation. Just hold down Shift while clicking each one. Or rather, as we did before, we go over here. Where's our thing? We know that yellow is going to be the main one, so get the eyedropper, get it, boom. And now yellow is the first one we see. Perfect. Well guys, we're going to show you the next one. It's going to be different. We're going to go over how to actually go and get pictures from the internet. High quality pictures, no distortion. See you next time.